Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to people to find your Instagram, TikTok or YouTube instantly? In this video, I will show you how to create your very own QR code that links to all your social media profiles in just a few minutes for free. What is the social media QR code? A social media QR code is a scannable code that opens a page with all your links. Super useful for business cards, packaging, posters, or even your profile bio. Before we generate the code, collect all your links. You can include Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or X, personal website or store. Test each link in your browser to make sure they work. Like YouTube, go to youtube.com and go to your channel account, then copy the link and paste another tab. It's worked. Now, there are many free tools online. Here's Here are a few I recommend, like QR Code Monkey, qrcodemonkey.com. Linktree has built-in QR code for Link Hub. Beacons.bio, Canva if you want to design it visually. Let's use QR Code Monkey as an example. Search for QR Code Monkey, then open the first link. Now enter content, click enter content or plus icon, then copy your paste your URL, select color from here like black, red, or color gradient, then add logo from here like YouTube, and click on customize design. You can choose uh, many other various design like that, then click create QR code. It's look like that. Make sure the contrast is good so it still scans properly. Test the QR code by scanning with your phone. If it works, hit download PNG. Then save it somewhere you can reuse later. Give it a name like my site, your YouTube keyword, QR code. Then click save. Now open it. That's it. Let's make it a step further and add the QR code to a design in Canva. Go to canva.com, search for flyer or business card, Upload your QR code. Add your name, handle, and a call to action like scan to follow me. Click uploads, then upload file, then upload the QR code picture. Can drag it anywhere and resize the QR code. You can use it like there. Use here like, and again drag it to here. And download as PDF or image. Click share button, then download, then click PDF standard. Use this for events, packaging, resumes, anything. If you want to track how many times your code is scanned, use a service like bit.ly short link before generating the code. Your.io offers analytics with a free plan. Linktree for Pro or similar tools. Great for marketers and creators who want performance data. Here are a few final tips to make your QR code even better. Don't print it to so small. Always test it to uh, always test it on multiple phones. Use a short and clean URL behind the QR code. Keep backups of your QR code in different sizes. Now let's go test the QR code. Open the QR code and open your phone. And then click scanner, open scanner, then scan the QR code. And it worked. And that's it. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more digital tutorials. Comment below if you want me to design one for you, and check the description for useful links and templates. See you in the next time.